so loud. Unbelievable rain today. Yeah, you see? It's not stopping at all. And look at the mountains, really beautiful. It's an optimal operating condition for this engine because it doesn't suffer so much in such cold conditions. Unlike when it's so hot, it's not that cold for an engine. It's like maybe 5 degrees Celsius, not worse than that. But when it's in summer, a V4 really suffers. It's a very nice bike when it's warm. Now look at this idiot. A really nice bike. Sound is incredible. It actually conserves lots of battery, unlike the R1. The R1 always, the battery always dies, even if we're using the same battery. I don't know what's going on, but this one is like just cranks up every time and works, so it's perfect. Temperature right now is about 41 degrees Celsius on the engine. According to Swiss law, you cannot keep the bike idle in front of your building. So once you start it, you've got less than a minute to leave for pollution and whatever, what have you. And now it's low emission zones and so on. Yeah, so we're going now crossing border. We're going to France, going to get some nice things, and maybe go around with the bike, try and see what's going to go on. Wow, can't get enough of the V4 sound, really. So we are in the city of Geneva, the city of the world peace, Red Cross and international organizations, and driving you through most beautiful roads in the city, in the city center really, and raining like never before, but it's expected for that time of the year. It's always like that here, so you can't expect any better than that. This is the bridge which connects the western side of the lake to the eastern side of the lake. And this is the magnificent city of Geneva Lake. Well, the weather's not too cold, not too bad, so can't complain really. Yeah. I don't know why there's a lot of traffic at that time of the day, 3 o'clock. It shouldn't be really that bad, but it is, so we'll go wait. Show you the beauty of the lake. It's the best hotels in Europe, and you can rent boats on the lake in the summertime, walk around, ride your bicycle, simple stuff like that, and that's it. Can't really do much here. Oh, traffic light closed again. Oh, jeez. Yeah, the bus is coming. I think the bus is coming. I have to be here. This is Rolex. Probably something you never knew. Rolex is a British company that was founded, moved to Switzerland before the First World War, and it's registered as a non-profit organization, which is something very cool scheme, very cool thing to do. Look at the watch companies, all of them. It's quite nice area here. So you can do everything on foot. You don't need to do much. Finally, come on. Going up. Of course, you've got like 50,000 traffic lights to go through in this country. Yeah, so one after another, after another, after another, and then once you get there, we're gonna move from here, go on the traffic light. Very weird intersection design. Really nice scene. You got the beautiful train of Geneva, or the tram, which is the only one they've got. Very nice car dealership. And our beautiful monument of the city, the beautiful speed camera. Here, Mr. Speed Camera is right on the right. Lots of hangars for aircrafts. Lots of people have here private aircrafts. I love this bike so much, you can't have enough of it. Really nice motorcycle. Quite loud actually. With the stock exhaust, imagine if you put it in aftermarket, but it's illegal here, it's a fine up to 5,000 Swiss francs. It's not really a good option to have, yeah? Right. Nice Alpine car. Here's the airport, the city. We're traveling again from this beautiful airport in the next few days, yeah? A business trip, quick business trip. We've got to focus on building our software company.